Are you like me? You're wondering, what am I going to draw for my something I know, and then the drawing that I do when I get to look at it? Something for my home, or maybe even my whole home. Yeah, I don't know. So I thought, and I came up with the idea of drawing the sunflowers that are outside in my garden. And I think I know them pretty well. Have, have you ever had that idea where I know something so good, I could do it without even looking. I can see it without in my mind's eye, right? Have you ever had that feeling? Well, we're going to try that out with this project. So I'm ready. I have my blindfold. I have my marker. I chose a marker because I'm using these two pieces of paper that I cut up from the grocery bag because I want it to be big. And I'm using a marker because I want the drawing to be really bold on that brown paper. And I have my idea and I'm ready. So here we go.